In the quiet sanctuary of a garden, where the world's chaos is but a distant murmur, resides an ancient art, a living poetry of patience and precision. This is bonsai, the art of cultivating miniature trees that echo the grandeur of their full-size counterparts. It is here, within the meticulous curvature of a branch or the silent twist of a root, that one finds a universe of contemplation and beauty. The Symphony of Stillness. To practice bonsai is to engage in a symphony of stillness. Each tree, a sculpture of time, reflects the gardener's silent dialogue with nature. The hands that prune and shape are guided not by haste, but by an intuitive understanding of balance and harmony. This meditative process mirrors the essence of mindfulness, where each snip of a scissor, each touch of the soil, is an act of pure presence. This haiku encapsulates the serene dance between the cultivator and the bonsai. It's an intimate ritual akin to quiet conversation with an old friend. Each tree, with its unique form and foliage, tells a story of seasons past, of wind and rain, and of the gardener's gentle hand guiding its destiny. The philosophy of wabi-sabi. Bonsai embodies the Japanese aesthetic of wabi-sabi, an appreciation for the beauty found in imperfection and transience. It's in the gnarly twists of a trunk or the uneven spread of roots that one discovers a profound elegance. This philosophy teaches us to find beauty in the natural cycle of growth and decay. In his seminal work In Praise of Shadows, Junichiro Tanizaki explores the allure of dimly lit spaces and the subtle beauty they reveal. Similarly, bonsai invites us to look beyond the obvious. To appreciate the quiet strength of a tree that has weathered countless storms despite its diminutive size. A meditation on time. Cultivating bonsai is an exercise in patience and surrender. It's a dance with time, where the gardener must yield to the slow rhythm of nature. Unlike other forms of art, bonsai is never truly finished. It evolves, a living testament to the flow of time and the changing seasons. In this slow and deliberate practice, one finds a refuge from the frenetic pace of modern life. The act of tending to a bonsai becomes a meditative ritual, grounding the gardener in the present moment. Each session of care, whether it be watering, pruning, or simply observing, becomes a meditative act. A way to connect deeply with the self and the natural world. The beauty of impermanence. Bonsai teaches the wisdom of impermanence. These miniature trees, while seemingly eternal, remind us of life's fleeting nature. They stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, their forms changing subtly with each passing year. This transient beauty, captured in the delicate structure of a bonsai, echoes the broader cycles of life and death, growth and decay. In this way, bonsai becomes more than an art form. It's a philosophy, a way of seeing and being in the world. It asks us to slow down, to pay attention, and to find joy in the simple act of nurturing life. Through this ancient practice, we learn to embrace the beauty of the present moment, to find peace in the quiet stillness of being, and to cultivate a deeper connection with the natural world. In the art of bonsai, we discover a microcosm of the universe. A delicate balance of beauty and imperfection, stillness and change. It is a reminder that in the smallest of things there lies an infinite expanse of wonder, waiting to be appreciated by those who take the time to see.